5 powerful foods that relieve constipation naturally after 60. Have you found yourself struggling with constipation more often as you age? It's one of those frustrating problems many people over 60 experience, yet no one really talks about. Here's the truth: constipation isn't just part of getting older. It's a sign your digestive system needs the right support. And the good news? The solution isn't complicated. In fact, 99% of constipation can disappear when you start eating the right foods. In this video, we'll explore 5 specific foods that can help get things moving naturally, without relying on harsh laxatives or uncomfortable remedies. These foods are rich in fiber, gut-friendly, and easy to add to your diet. By the end, you'll have a simple, natural toolkit for smoother digestion, less bloating, and better overall health. Let's dive in. Number 1, prunes, nature's most powerful remedy. Prunes have long been called nature's laxative, and for good reason. These small, wrinkled fruits are incredibly effective at relieving constipation. Prunes are packed with fiber and a compound called sorbitol, which draws water into the intestines. This softens your stool and helps things move along smoothly. Many people dismiss prunes as old-fashioned, but they work. Better yet, they provide a gentle, natural solution that avoids the side effects of over-the-counter laxatives like cramping or dependency. Take Henry, age 72. After years of using fiber powders and pills, his doctor suggested prunes. Skeptical, he tried a few each day. Within a week, he noticed less bloating, smoother digestion, and regularity, without needing medication. You can eat prunes as a snack, mix them into oatmeal, smoothies, or even chop them into salads. However you enjoy them, the results are clear: better digestion and fewer stomach issues, naturally. Number 2, chia seeds, the tiny powerhouse. Chia seeds are small, but they deliver big results for your digestive health. They're rich in soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance when mixed with liquid. This helps soften stool and ease constipation. Unlike synthetic fiber supplements that can cause bloating, chia seeds work gently. They help regulate digestion without discomfort, and they keep you feeling full longer, too. Margaret, 69, had battled constipation for years. After hearing a friend rave about chia seeds, she started adding them to her morning yogurt. Within days, she felt lighter, more regular, and less bloated. The best part? Chia seeds are incredibly easy to use. Sprinkle them on cereal, stir them into smoothies, or make a simple chia pudding. Just let them soak in liquid first, so they can expand and do their job effectively. If you're looking for a gentle, natural fix for sluggish digestion, chia seeds are a must-try. Number 3, oatmeal, the gentle daily fiber. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast, and a digestive superfood. It's packed with soluble fiber, especially a type called beta-glucan, which absorbs water and forms a gel that softens your stool. If constipation is a recurring issue, just one bowl of oatmeal each morning can make a big difference. Joe, 74, had tried just about everything for his digestion. Then his doctor recommended something simple: oatmeal every day. Within a week, Joe felt the change: less bloating, more regularity, and more energy. What makes oatmeal so powerful is its gentle action. Unlike harsher fiber supplements, oatmeal soothes the gut while doing its job. It also helps regulate blood sugar, supports heart health, and keeps you feeling full. You can prepare it on the stove, microwave it, or make it overnight. Add fruit, nuts, honey, or even go savory with veggies and spices. However you enjoy it, oatmeal is a comforting, easy way to keep digestion moving. Number 4, sweet potatoes, the delicious digestive helper. Sweet potatoes are more than just a tasty comfort food, they're a fiber-packed, digestion-friendly powerhouse. They're loaded with soluble fiber and water, which help bulk up and soften stool. Unlike some fiber-rich foods that are hard on the stomach, sweet potatoes offer a soothing effect, perfect for older adults. Eleanor, 71, had struggled with constipation and bloating for years. After adding sweet potatoes to her meals, baked, mashed, or roasted, she noticed a smoother digestive rhythm and less discomfort within days. Sweet potatoes are also rich in antioxidants and vitamins that support overall health. And they're easy to add to any meal. Bake them whole, slice them into fries, mash them with a little olive oil, or even blend them into soup. If you're looking for a satisfying, natural way to improve your gut health, sweet potatoes are a delicious place to start. Number 5, kefir, the gut-friendly drink. Kefir is a fermented dairy drink rich in probiotics, the healthy bacteria your gut needs to stay balanced. It's like yogurt, but thinner and more powerful when it comes to restoring digestion. Probiotics in kefir help rebalance your gut flora, break down food more effectively, and support regular bowel movements. Walter, 75, had tried everything, from water to fiber to laxatives. Nothing gave lasting relief, until he tried kefir. Just a small glass each morning led to better digestion, less bloating, and a noticeable difference in how he felt. Kefir works from the inside out, not just masking constipation, but helping your gut heal and stay regular over time. It's easy to add to your diet. Drink it straight, blend it into smoothies, or pour it over fruit or cereal. If you haven't tried kefir yet, it might be the missing piece in your digestive health routine. Final thoughts. Let's recap the 5 powerful foods that help relieve constipation naturally after 60. Prunes, gentle, effective, and fiber-packed. Chia seeds, tiny, but mighty in fiber and hydration. Oatmeal, soothing, simple, and a great daily habit. Sweet potatoes, delicious, hydrating, and gut-supportive. Kefir, probiotic-rich and perfect for restoring gut balance. Constipation doesn't have to be something you tolerate. These foods give your body the tools it needs to work naturally, without pills or quick fixes. Which of these foods will you try first? Maybe you already love oatmeal. Or maybe this is the push you needed to finally try chia seeds or kefir. Let us know in the comments, what did you learn today, and how will you use it? And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit. Your support helps us keep creating content that informs and inspires. Thank you for watching, and here's to better digestion, starting today.